Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making some Jamaican style steamed fish. If you want to see how it's done, then keep on watching. So guys, this is one of the most important steps you do not want to skip. You want to make sure you wash and clean your fish. So these are all the ingredients that I will be using today to make my dish. I will sure to leave a list down below in the description box. I have some pumpkin, tomato, okra, pepper, bell pepper, garlic, thyme, scallion, allspice berry, and I'm also using this fish soup mix. It will give it a nice flavor. I'm using some coconut milk, all-purpose season, fish season, salt, pepper, and this Reggae blend. Next, I am going to begin seasoning with my dry season. I am going to start off with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Maggi fish season, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season, and 1 teaspoon of Reggae blend. I'm also using 2 tablespoons of green season blend. If you want to see how it's made, I have a video on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out. So guys, I'm using my hands to distribute the season evenly, but please be careful when doing so because of the bones. Next, I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. I am going to allow that to melt over medium heat. I am also adding about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil. Guys, the flavor and the aroma that it gives, y'all need to give that a try. So guys, now that the butter and the coconut oil is completely melted, I am going to add my season and let it saute for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding the Irish and the okra. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and all-purpose season for flavor. Next, I'm using 1 cup of water and 1 cup of coconut milk. Guys, the coconut milk, it gives it a different flavor that you can't resist. Y'all need to give it a try. Next, I am using a Grace fish tea flavor mix. I just wanted to give it that fish flavor, and I am separating the noodles from the seasoning. I am going to allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding the fish. Guys, I am going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side. Next, I'm adding some water crackers and I am going to allow it to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Guys, you can use bami. It can be served with rice. You can eat it however you want, but in this case, I am using some water crackers today as my side. And there you have it, guys, Jamaican style steamed fish with okra and crackers. Guys, don't forget to give this recipe a try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Remember to like this video, leave a comment down below. Until next time, bye guys.